Hussain is absorbed in his playtime, his tiny hands guiding the toy car across the carpet. The small car slips from his fingers, rolling towards the edge of the room. Mirha, with a sister's gentle care, retrieves the wayward toy. She kneels, offering the car back to Hussain with a warm, loving smile. Hussain's face lights up, his eyes reflecting pure joy and gratitude. In the heart of the living room, Mirha's gentle presence fills the space as she kneels before Hussain. Her voice, soft and guiding, introduces a simple yet profound lesson. Hussain, when someone helps you, we say, JazakAllahu Khair. It means, may Allah reward you with goodness. With patient encouragement, Mirha gently prompts, JazakAllahu Khair. Can you say it? The room is filled with hopeful anticipation, awaiting Hussain's response to this heartfelt teaching. In the warm glow of the living room, Hussain looks up at Mirha, his face radiant with gratitude. From the kitchen, their mother watches them, a tender smile gracing her lips. Their father enters, gently patting Hussain on the back, a silent blessing. JazakAllahu Khair, sister, Hussain says, his voice filled with heartfelt appreciation. Father shares wisdom. Children who thank with these words spread love and dua. Mirha embraces Hussain, their laughter echoing through the room, a symphony of joy.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.